In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a project on GitHub. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your GitHub account and that your project files are ready on your computer. A short README is helpful so visitors understand what your project does, but it isn't required. Also, double check that you're not uploading any sensitive information like private keys, passwords, or secret configuration files. If needed, set up a .gitignore locally to keep those out. Head to your GitHub dashboard and open the repository where you want the files to live. Confirm you are on the correct repository and the intended branch, typically main. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the repository's file list and the toolbar at the top. Look for the Add File button near the upper right area of the file list. Click it to open the dropdown. This menu lets you create a new file or upload existing ones directly from your browser, which is perfect if you don't want to use the command line. Choose Upload Files from that dropdown. You'll land on the upload page, which shows the destination branch and a large area where you can add files. Click. Choose your files to open your computer's file picker, then select the files you want to include. You can select multiple files at once, and you can repeat the process to add more. As a tip, you can also drag and drop files directly onto the page. If you need to preserve folder structure, drag folders onto the page, or navigate into the desired subfolder in the repository first, then upload there. Keep in mind that the web uploader has size limits. For very large files or many changes, consider using Git large file storage or pushing from a local Git client. Once your files appear in the list, scroll down to the commit section. Add a clear, concise commit message that explains what you're uploading, such as initial project upload or add assets and documentation. If you require review before merging, switch to creating a new branch and propose changes. Otherwise, commit directly to the current branch. When everything looks good, click Commit Changes. GitHub will process your upload and create the commit. You'll be returned to the repository view, where you should now see your files. Open a few to verify the content looks correct and check the commit history to confirm your message and timestamp. If something isn't right, you can make another small commit to fix it. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your project to GitHub using the web interface.